Eurasian tree sparrow. Local name, Mayang Bahay or Mayang Bahay. Scientific name, Passer montanus. The Eurasian tree sparrow is a passerine, bird in the sparrow family with a rich chestnut crown, and nape and a black patch on each pure white cheek. The sexes are similarly plumaged, and young birds are a duller version of the adult. The Eurasian tree sparrow's untidy nest is built in a natural cavity, a hole in a building, or the disused nest of a European magpie or white stork. The typical clutch is 5 or 6 eggs, which hatch in under 2 weeks. This sparrow feeds mainly on seeds, but invertebrates are also consumed, particularly during the breeding season. As with other small birds, infection by parasites and diseases, and predation by birds of prey take their toll, and the typical lifespan is about 2 years. The Eurasian tree sparrow is widespread in the towns and cities of Eastern Asia, but in Europe, it is a bird of lightly wooded open countryside, with the house sparrow breeding in the more urban areas. Their diet mainly consists of seeds, but they will also eat fruits, flowers, insects, or even human scraps and leftover food. That has made them very successful and familiar. Locally called Mayang Bahay or Mayang Bahay.